Do you want to know how you can log into your placer.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your placer.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then go to the Google search bar. In the Google search bar, search for Placer AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Placer, which will help you trace traffic and location, and you can also use location intelligence. So you can click login, which you can see on the top right hand side, and you can see sign up for free. So if you don't have an account yet, click sign up for free, but if you have an account, just press login and this page will pop up. What you need to do right now is write down your work email in this box over here and then write down your password in this box. After you write down your work email and your password, go ahead and click login. This way you can log in using your work email in placer.ai. In case you want to log in with your SSO, go ahead and click login with SSO and then write down your work email, click login, write down your password and then click login again and you can log in using your SSO. If you want to skip all of this and want to log in to placer.ai using your Google account, go ahead and click Google, choose your Gmail, click continue to sign in to placer.ai, and in a while you can notice that you have been signed in to placer.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.